Ever wondered how incident management works? Let's explain it using something we all know: Swiggy customer support. Imagine you're hungry and place an order on Swiggy, selecting your favorite biryani and hitting place order. Swiggy accepts your order, giving you a unique order ID like SW123456 so you can track everything. You track your order in real time, and everything seems perfect so far. But wait, something goes wrong. Your delivery is delayed, or worse, you receive the wrong food. You open the app, go to the help section, and raise a complaint describing what went wrong. The Swiggy customer support team immediately receives your complaint, seeing your order ID and all details. The support team investigates, checking order details, restaurant status, and delivery partner location. They forward the issue to the right team: the restaurant for a correct order, or the delivery partner to fix the delay. The resolver gets to work. The restaurant prepares your correct order, or the delivery partner rushes to you. Finally, the issue is resolved. You receive your correct order and are satisfied. You close the complaint in the app, maybe give a rating, and the cycle is complete. Now, let's see how this exact process works in IT incident management. In IT terms, you, the customer, are called the end user, the person who needs the service. The Swiggy customer support team is like the IT service desk, the first point of contact. And the restaurant or delivery partner, they're like the IT resolver groups, the technical teams who fix the problem. So, incident management is just like Swiggy customer support. Customer equals end user. Support team equals service desk. Restaurant or delivery partner equals resolver team. Think of incident management as customer support for IT services. Same process, different domain. Simple, right?
Imagine your company's email system crashes. Hundreds of employees can't work. Chaos, right? This is where incident management saves the day. So what exactly is incident management? Simply put, it's the process of quickly identifying, managing, and resolving IT issues to restore normal service as fast as possible. Without proper incident management, small issues become big disasters. With it, your IT team becomes a well-oiled problem-solving machine. The incident management process follows 6 key steps. Let's walk through each one with a real example using ServiceNow. Step 1. Incident logging. An employee discovers an issue. Maybe their application isn't loading. Now, they need to report it. But how? In ServiceNow, users can log incidents in multiple ways. Through live chat for instant support, via email which auto-creates tickets, through the self-service portal where they fill forms, or even using AI-powered virtual agent that guides them through the process. Once logged through any channel, here's the incident form in ServiceNow. Key details are captured: who reported it, what the problem is, which category it belongs to, and the initial priority. Every incident gets a unique tracking number. Step 2. Notification and escalation. Once an incident is logged, the right people need to know immediately. ServiceNow sends notifications through multiple channels to ensure nothing is missed. If an incident isn't resolved within the expected time frame, automatic escalation kicks in. It moves up the support hierarchy from L1 to L2 to L3, ensuring critical issues get senior attention quickly. Step 3. Incident classification. Not all incidents are the same. Classification organizes incidents into categories and subcategories. This ensures they're routed correctly and helps identify patterns over time. In ServiceNow, classification uses cascading drop-downs. Select the category, and relevant subcategories appear. Then link it to the specific configuration item or service affected. Step 4. Incident prioritization. Priority combines two factors: impact, how many users are affected, and urgency, how quickly it needs resolution. High impact plus high urgency equals priority 1 critical. Here's where SLA comes in. SLA means service level agreement. It's the promised time frame for resolving incidents based on priority. ServiceNow starts an SLA timer when an incident is created. For P1, You might have 30 minutes. The timer shows progress with color warnings. Green is safe, yellow is warning, red means SLA breach. In ServiceNow, when you set urgency and impact, priority is automatically calculated. The SLA clock immediately starts, showing target response time and resolution time with visual progress indicators. If SLA is about to breach, automatic alerts notify managers and senior engineers. Breaches are tracked as metrics to improve service quality and hold teams accountable.
IT teams analyze logs, dashboards, and knowledge base to diagnose the root cause. Engineers document findings in work notes, collaborating with at mentions and screenshots. Once fixed, resolution notes are documented, user confirms solution, ensuring satisfaction. The incident moves to closed status. ServiceNow records details like resolution time and SLA compliance. ServiceNow offers a knowledge base, dashboards, and automated workflows. This process leads to faster resolutions, improved user experience, better resource utilization, consistent quality. Hence, hit that subscribe button. In the next video, we'll see this in action with a real example. See you there.